Are you looking for an effective solution to export OST files into different file formats? In this video, we'll describe the best solutions to convert an OST file into many other file formats or email clients. Cigati OST Converter is a professional utility that converts your OST file into PST, MBOX, and other file formats. This OST converter software is able to transfer your OST file data to multiple email clients such as Gmail, AOL, etc. It is based on the SMART algorithm, which ensures that there is no harm to your crucial data during the email migration process. Let's check out the prerequisites of the software. Run software as administrator when using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. Internet connectivity required while migrating mailed files into the email clients or cloud environments. A third-party software password is required before email account sign-in. Now, let's understand the key features and benefits of software. Save files from the OST file into PST, EML, MSG, MBOX, PDF, EMLX, text, and other file formats. It also migrates OST files into Gmail, Hotmail, Office 365, Yahoo, LiveExchange, and other web email clients. Removes duplicate emails from OST data files. Migrate all your OST data files, whether it's a single file or multiple files. Now, let's check out the working procedure of Cigati OST Converter tool. You need to follow the simple steps to convert the OST data file into an Outlook PST file format. First, download and install the Cigati OST Converter software. Next, choose the single file or multiple files or folder options to add an OST file in the tool. Now, browse and select the OST file which you want to convert, and press the Open button to proceed. Your selected file appears in the software window and then clicks on the Next button to move ahead. In the newly appeared window, select or tick the particular box to preview the content and attachments of your selected OST file. Click Next for further options. Now, choose the saving file format as PST from the drop-down. Check the box to remove duplicate emails on the basis of to, from, subject, BCC and body. Also, you can check the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option. Next, you can use the Mail filter or Task filter to filter the files of a particular date range. Also, you can use the Custom Folder Name feature to save your converted data into a particular name. After that, click on the Path to Save button to define the location where you want to save the converted OST files. At last, click on the Convert button to start the data conversion process. After some time, your OST file converted into a PST file format. Now, follow the steps to migrate your OST data files into your Gmail account. Here, from the drop-down, you need to select Gmail as a saving option. Now, you need to enter the login user ID of your Gmail account. Then, you need to enter the third-party software password. If you don't have a third-party password, you can create it from the given link. And press the Sign In button. Tick the box to remove the duplicate emails option. You can also check the Maintain Folder Hierarchy option. Next, you can use the Mail filter or Task filter to filter the files of a particular date range. Also, the Custom Folder Name feature is available to save your converted data into different folders. At last, click the Convert button to start the migration process. In some moments, your OST files are migrated to your Gmail account and a log file is generated. You can download this log file for future purposes. Now, your OST files are safely transferred to your Gmail account. You can access these files by sign into your Gmail account. After conversion, if you want to convert or migrate your OST files into other file formats or email clients, then you have to click on the Convert Again button. For more updates, check out our website www.cigatisolution.com or mail us on support@cigatisolutions.com.